Welcome back guys to another video. In this video we are going to look at one of the hot stock Plug Power. We are going to see whether this stock is a buy or a sell or a hold at this price level. Looks like they did a secondary offering today and the stock did a pullback. So let's look at its chart and see whether it's offering any buy point at this price level. So let's get started. Before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. All the informations are recorded out there, so you can refer it anytime you want. And please check out all of our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. So please engage with us, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks in coming days and weeks. So before we look at the chart, I believe this stock is offering a buy point at this price level of $10.63. It rallied up quite nicely yesterday, but it got pulled back. So before we look at the chart, it's a buy for now, and the minimum entry price would be $10.63, and the maximum buying price would be $11.16, and your stop loss is $9.78. So you have to pay very close attention to the stop loss because these are low priced, highly speculative stocks, so it can now very well retrace below this price. But whenever they retrace, you may want to now close the trade and move on to a next position, or just wait for the stock to now offer another entry point. So before we look at the last profit projection, let's look at the chart and see why it is a buy. So you guys are looking at weekly settings for the Plug Power chart. I like the weekly settings because it reduces a lot of daily noise, so you can see some kind of short-term trend for 3 weeks to now 6 months trading. So the two indicators that I follow is the 10-week moving average and the 50-week moving average. So the original buy point for this stock is ideally right here when it's found support at its 10-week moving average and rallied quite nicely. Then it came down and it found support again at its 10-week moving average. So that is another ideal entry point. So if you guys missed that, it's blasted like yesterday, last week. Then it came down quite a bit today because of its offering a secondary price offering or stock offering, whatever it is. So if you look at here, during the accumulation, the volume spiked. So when the stock came down, the volume came down as well, which is a very good sign. And it's also found support at the key 10-week moving average line. So that is the reason I believe it's offering an entry point around $10.63. I always take the end of the day for the tracker, so we can keep it simple. But ideally, you may want to look at around $9.85. That is really an attractive buy point because it's found support right there. So you may want to wait, that's fine. Or if you want to get on to $10.63, that is fine too. You can start with a small pilot buy, and if it's a new high after the $11 price range or so, you can keep on adding it. But as of now, it's offering a secondary entry point just because of it's ready to test this key line. And the volume, hopefully, let's see how the stocks behaves in the next couple of days, and whether it's going to turn into green or still it's going to be red. So let's see. So let's look at its profit loss projection. So as I said, the stop loss is around $9.78. Then this stock should be at least posting 5% gain or $11.16 by September. Or it has to post at least 20% gain by November 4th, that is $12.76. So if the stock is not posting that much gains between now and November, this position will get closed. So as we know now, a little bit very high level projection. So let's look at a couple of calls for this guy. So as the projection says that if everything goes fine, the stock may be trading over $12 or $13 by November. So I will be looking at this October call or December call, which is $12 or $13. So one, you can take a look at it. It looks like it came down quite a bit today, so it may be a little bit look attractive, and the volume was over 1,000 contracts today, and almost 2K contracts are at open. So you can look at either $12 or $13 call, and whether you can add one contract, and let's see how things plays out in coming days, and you can keep on adding it more if you see some profit. So that's a take. Okay guys, I believe Plug is now offering an entry point at this price level, even though it's ran up a little bit. So let's see how things plays out. And thanks again for watching this quick video. Please check out our website. I will put the tracker link in the description section so you can check it out whenever you want. It will get updated at the end of the day during the stock market trading days. And please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks in coming days. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video again, and have a great week.